Hey everybody, John Sposato here from the Arizona Home Group at RE/MAX Excalibur. On behalf of Sharon Caffini and Melanie Didier and Terry and Erica, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. In a minute, I'm going to talk about this crazy runaway market that's going on here in Phoenix. But first, I want to thank everybody who showed up for our happy hour event last week, everyone who came out to support and make donations for the Care Fund. We had a fabulous event, had a really good time. A lot of great prizes were given away, and we raised over $11,000 for the Care Fund. So thank you all very much for your support. Looking forward to seeing you guys next year with a bigger and better event. So let's dive right into it because it's really hot. It's crazy out there. So here's closings for the month of March. Over 9,000 closings in the Phoenix metro area, which was up 41% month over month, and that's 8% year over year. Okay, so this spring it's really hot. Let's look at new inventory last month. Okay, over almost 12,000 new homes to the market. That was up 21% from February. Very typical. People are saying, hey, let's put our house on the market. The market's really hot. We had 21% increase month over month, yet still overall inventory depleted. Okay, we're down 11% year over year. There's more people buying than there's more homes coming on the market. And you know what that happens? Prices go up, right? Let's talk about the median home price. We're now at $230,000. That's equal amount of houses priced above and equal amount of houses priced below. Okay, and that's been slowly rising since 2011. Why is that? Well, mostly pushed up by the bottom end market. Those entry-level home buyers, the lower end price points, are bringing everything up slowly but steadily, and that will increase over the next couple of years. Let's look at the closings here. Okay, so I've showed you this graph before. This is between 100 and a million. These are all the closings last month, okay? And this is going to show how many people are buying these single-family homes, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, and the total amount of closings. Let's look at the meat of the order here, between 200 and 500,000. This is where the most closings are. These are where the entry-level buyers are, first-time home buyers, move-up, move-down buyers that are in the Fannie Mae guidelines of under 417,000. These are the people who are buying the loans. These are the people who are bringing the pricing up. Let's look at the heart of the matter right here. Single family detached, 3-bedroom, between 2 and 250. There was 950 homes that sold last month, okay? Those are the people who are buying houses, and those are the people that are continuing to increase the property values in that price range because of the lack of inventory. Let's look at pricing, okay? Here we are. This is the average dollar per square foot over the last few years. It's been trending upward. This red line basically represents June of 2015. So looking at the last 2 years, in the $100,000 to $200,000 price range, we've got a nice increase. It's 14.5% in the last 2 years, between 100 and 200. Okay. Now, if we move to the $200,000 to $300,000 price range, we can still see things going up, but not quite as much. It's a 6.6% appreciation between 200 and 300,000. Now let's move up between 300 and 500,000. Again, tapering down a little bit, only a 4.1% appreciation in the last 2 years. Let's jump to $500,000 to $800,000 price range home, basically flat, folks. The last 2 years, a 0.5% appreciation over the last 2 years, basically flat between 500 and 800. Let's look at the luxury market, between 1 and 1.5 million, flat as a pancake. As a matter of fact, even dipped down for the end of 15 all through 2016, and then just kicked up again in the fourth quarter last year and recovered in this first quarter this year. Okay, so again, depending on pricing, that's where you're going to see the different appreciations up and down. Again, entry level, lower level pricing will continue to go up even when the luxury market stays flat or the higher price points stay flat. What's going to add gasoline to that fire? The interest rates, okay, again, down this week. All right, everyone thought interest rates were going to go up. We've been talking about it for months now. They're going to go up. They haven't. They've gone down. So that means more people today can get a loan for that first-time home buyer than they could a month ago. That's going to increase the situation where less homes are available and prices are going to go up. So let's talk in summation. We've got low interest rates. We've got a decrease in supply. We've got an influx of new companies who are bringing people to the valley. JP Morgan Chase, Intel, Apple, Google, all building campuses, bringing jobs to the valley. These people need homes, okay? Going to have a pressure upward on pricing. Let's talk a little bit about the millennials who finally woke up and figured out, does it make sense to rent? The fastest way to wealth in this country is to own a property. I need mortgage write-offs. I'm going to buy a house. So they're getting into the market and will continue over the next decade to increase pressure upward. Last year there was 100,000 people, positive influx into the Phoenix metro area. Those people are all going to have to buy houses. Again, upward pressure on pricing. And let's talk very quickly about the new homes, all right? Back in the day, 10, 12 years ago when the market was hot, people could go out to Santan Valley and Buckeye and buy a $150,000 house. Well, those days are all gone. The median price range on new builds right now is $320,000, and they're not building nearly as many as they did back then. So again, the new builds are starting at a higher price point and they're not filling up that supply. Okay, all of these things are pointing to the fact that entry-level pricing under $300,000, $350,000 will continue to rise because the demand is there and the supply is not. Let us help you find a house. Give us a call, 602-571-3730. We'll start sending you homes from the MLS. You can start looking at your zip codes and neighborhoods, and let's find you that house. Feel free to give us a call. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great month.